welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a trunk club. Trunk club, for those that don't know, is a styling service by Nordstrom. Pay them a $25 styling fee. They'll cultivate items per your request in your profile, and they'll ship them out to you, and you can try them on in the comfort of your own home, keep what you want, return back what you don't, and you're just paying what the standard Nordstrom prices are. There are no discounts. So I was very, very specific to my stylist team as to what I was looking for. And I have to say, this is probably the best trunk I've gotten since they've gone to the stylist team. There's some things that they missed the mark on somewhat. They're not exactly what I was looking for, but it was doable. You get a profile of exactly what they picked out for you, and you have a chance to decline. This time I decided don't decline anything, because I've found when I ever decline, I get the strangest stuff in replacement. So unless it's something I'm like, oh my God, no way, I'm gonna accept it just to see what it looks like, just so I can get an idea. So, versus not know. If it were something absolutely hideous, then yes, I would decline it. All right, so it's funny, I opened up everything because it comes in a trunk and you have to unwrap every individual piece. And the thing I was most excited about is the thing I'm so disappointed about. And other things were some surprises here. So first up is the Kendra Scott Fern wine necklace. I was so excited about this. It looks so pretty. And I asked specifically for a long silver necklace, okay? And when I saw it in the preview, I was like, oh, that is so cute. It's a wide silver, okay? This thing is so tiny and so delicate, all right? And it came as a tangled mess. I was looking for something a little bit more substantial. I mean, I wasn't looking for a statement piece, but this is so tiny and so delicate, and it was literally a twisted mess that I probably spent about 15 minutes untwisting. So this is $48, and I know this is going back. This is not quite what I had in mind when I said long silver necklace, and you can't tell that kind of thing from the preview. So I'm a bit bummed, but that's that. The next thing that I know is going back is, let's see, are these 22 sneakers. The Sidewalk low top sneaker by Madewell in multi, and it's $88. I'm not even gonna try these on for you, okay? They're all right, nothing wrong with them. It has a little bit of black back here, and it's like a soft, like a micro suede. It has brown leather or faux leather over here, and it has almost like a baseball stitching for laces. And this is slightly like off-white versus white, the rubber, and the top is pure white. They're okay, nothing wrong with them. I did ask for fashion sneakers because, as you guys know, I'm buying joggers and things like that. Now that I'm staying home, I'm like, well, now I actually need shoes to go with these things. So they're good, not for $88, just don't love them. So to keep them nice for the next person, I'm not even gonna try them on, all right? Then the next item I have is a pair of Vince Camuto boots, and I had asked for burgundy booties. As you know, I've been on a hunt for burgundy booties. I love the style of these. However, the color is slightly off. These are more of a deep red, and I'm really looking for a deeper burgundy color, a little bit more than this. What I didn't realize, and of course I accepted it because you can't tell the color exactly, and I thought it might be more burgundy once I got it. But what I didn't realize is that they have this in white, and I'm also looking for white booties. So I will be trying these on for size, and if I like them, I may just go directly to Nordstrom and order them in white. These are to Vince Camuto, the Cammen pointed toe bootie for $149.95, which is pretty pricey, and I might just wait until there is a sale. But I'm excited that she sent them so I can actually see. Next up is this Virumota shaker stitch crewneck sweater, extra small, and the color is North Atlantic. I had asked for some jewel tone sweaters, and this is not jewel tone, but it is a pretty color, and it's something that I don't really exactly have. It's, I'm trying to read the label. I could have sworn I saw somewhere it said 100% acrylic, but I think it's like 50% acrylic and then recycled acrylic. I'm not a big fan of acrylic, especially in sweaters. This one seems an okay quality for acrylic. I will try it on. It is a size extra small, and oh, both pairs of shoes are a size 7, just so you know. This is an extra small, and it's the Virumota North Atlantic, and it's only $29. Can you believe that? You know, $29. Can't beat that. Next up, and it was something I thought I had purchased on my own and returned, but I don't think I've ever gotten this one before. This is the open front cardigan by BP in pink, and it's only $39. And guys, this is a nice cardigan. This is thick, and this is something that when I saw it, I said, yeah, send it, but I just assumed it was something I received and returned already. This is nothing I ever received. It has the wide sleeves, which I'll have to see how this looks like on, and hopefully this doesn't overwhelm me. It has the ribbed on the bottom, and it's just a plain front, open front cardigan, and I've been looking for a pink cardigan. This is really nice, a really nice quality. I'm really surprised by this for $39, the quality of it, but I, of course, have to try it on and see how it fits. And the material on this one is 89% polyester, 8% nylon, and 3% spandex. So it feels very nice, I have to say. All right, so that was only $39. Keep in mind, sweater $29, cardigan $39. Now here's where it gets a little crazy. I asked for a leopard scarf, and I wasn't gonna say, I didn't decline it because I thought I would confuse them, because I did ask for a leopard scarf. Here's the animal print scarf by Rebecca Minkoff in leopard for $68. So I did take this out of the bag to show you, but I will not be opening it up because I do want to keep it somewhat nice for the next person, and there is no way in hell I am paying $68 for a fashion scarf. I'm sorry. And it does have her little name here. It is very nice and soft. It is made, let's see, what is it made out of? Hand wash cold, and it is made out of viscose, 100%. So that is going back in the package and back in the box. Next up is this, I think it's Madewell. No, J. Crew, the crop cardigan sweater in green for $98. I also asked her for an olive cardigan. This style isn't exactly what I had in mind, and this looks very wide and boxy. And this is also, too, an extra small. I mean, I know everything's oversized, but wow, we could fit a couple people into this thing. I'll give it a try on. This isn't exactly my style and what I was looking for, but I didn't want to decline it because I get some Stranger Things in exchange, and I said, well, let me give it a shot because you never know. All right. Next up is this puff sleeve top by Socialite in charcoal, and I was looking for a gray top, and it's only $35. This is a definite possibility. I'll have to see how it fits me. All right, it almost feels like a cottony feel. I'm sure it has rayon in it. Let me see if I can find. So the material, 88% polyester, 9% rayon, 3% spandex. It's a nice mix, I have to say. It almost feels a little bit cottony, almost like a silky cotton. So I do like it. All right, so I'll give that a shot and see how that goes. And last up is this Leith turtleneck, and they're calling it ivory, for $49. To me, it looks pure white, all right? This is nice. It's oversized, and I was kind of looking more for something to wear under, like a blazer, and this is gonna be too chunky to wear under a blazer. So I'm probably not gonna keep this, but I will give it a shot and try it on. And the materials on this are 50% viscose, 28% polyester, and 22% nylon. Machine wash, cold, gentle, okay? So the prices of this, you can't beat the prices that she sent me. And they did give me items that I was asking for. And I purposely didn't decline anything because I didn't want to confuse them and get some random stuff. So I said, you know what? Just send it along and let me try them out because you never know. All right, so give me a few minutes and I'll do a show. Okay, first up I have the Socialite top on. It's a dark charcoal gray. Like it a lot. I'm gonna have to look back the footage to make sure that it fits okay. I raise my arms, it doesn't raise up. I mean, it is cropped, but it's not like gonna lift up on me. I'm okay with this. And I got on the Booties, okay? The Booties are fantastic, okay? These are the Vince Camuto pointed toe booties. I think they were Cammen, that was the name of them. I'll leave all in the description below the items that I got. I love these booties. I just wish they were a hint darker. I'm going to have to look online, see if they have them in white in my size still, and then order them. I may end up even keeping these burgundy ones. So let me go look online, look at what the price is, look to see if they have them in a my size in white, and I might just order them. If not, I might even keep these ones, even though they're not quite the color that I'm looking for. To get a close-up look, I just want to show you right here. They're absolutely beautiful. Love them, exactly what I wanted. So I'm pretty happy. Okay, next up, I'll pick out something else for you to try on. Give me a minute. Next up is the Virumota Sweater, I think they call it North Atlantic is the color. It's kind of like a greenish bluish, more green than blue. I'll come closer so you can look. It's a typical shaker knit sweater with the crew neck, really very basic. And honestly, this is not quite my style. I really prefer a V-neck or a scoop neck or something a little bit with more pizzazz too than just a basic sweater. Nothing wrong with the sweater, and if this is your style, get the sweater, but it is just not for me. So this is going back. It's nothing wrong with it. It is kind of, I'll be honest with you, it's kind of on the cheap side, but considering it's like acrylic, it's a well-made acrylic. It's not gonna fall, I don't think it's gonna fall apart on you or ball up too quickly. But yeah, only $29, but this is a no for me. All right, next up. This is the J. Crew open front cardigan. I paired it with the top that I was looking to get an olive green cardigan with. This is like a spring top from White House Black Market that's sleeveless. It'd be something I would wear to the office, and then you would need a cardigan to throw over to keep myself warm. As you can see, it has olive green in it and pink. The color of the sweater goes great, but the style isn't right. First place, this is too thick and bulky for this silky light top. And it's also more of a winter sweater. And it's $98, and the buttons just really aren't my style, at least not now. Maybe if I get a couple of seasons of seeing buttons on sweaters, I might grow to like them, but right now it's just not a trend, the grandpa look that I'm digging. All right, next up is the pink cardigan. Sigh, I had such high hopes for this cardigan. This is a Daniel Rain blouse that I got from Stitch Fix that I absolutely love. It's like a light blue with pink, floral, totally my style. I'd be wearing something like this in the springtime, and this sweater I think is pretty wintry, which makes sense because we're heading into winter. And I think it just overwhelms the delicate nature of the sweater. Plus, I think the sleeves kind of just look ridiculous on me. I think they're supposed to be like a little bit shorter, and because I'm short, they're longer, and they even cover part of my hands, and this is not anything I can even roll. So, oh well. Yeah, this isn't what I wanted, but I'll give you some details. If you are interested in this sweater, it is a really, I'm very surprised. I think they said it was $39. It's by BP. It's a very soft pink. I would not call it blush. I would call it a soft pink. Okay? Seems like a really nice quality. It is a beautiful sweater. No complaints about it. Just does not work for what I need it to work for. Okay, I just have one more thing, and that's the Ivory Sweater. Give me a minute. Okay, up next is this Ivory Sweater, all right? And I have it paired with what I wanted to wear this with so I could show you what I was looking for. Obviously, this does not work with this jacket. It is way too bulky, and I could barely fit the jacket over it. So I'll take it off, and I will show you the sweater so you can get an idea what the sweater is. This is not a bad sweater at all. Okay, it has the balloon sleeves, which I absolutely like. It has a turtleneck, which I don't mind. It's a very loose turtleneck. I would say it's not cropped. I would say it's normal length, you know. It is super soft. I like it. I have no complaints about it. It's just nothing I need in my wardrobe. I was specifically looking for something to fill a gap in my closet, and I don't need something like this. Beautiful sweater, no complaints about it. It's just not something that I actually need, and I was actually putting my holes in my closet I was looking to fill. So that's it. What did you think? I think this is probably the best trunk I ever got. I am considering the gray Socialite top. I have to look back at the footage to make sure that it looks okay on me. And I'm considering those booties. I think this was probably the best one I've gotten yet. And, you know, I can't complain too much at all. The only thing I'm a little bit disappointed about is the necklace, because I had such high hopes for it, and I couldn't believe the size of it when I got it. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you're new and you just stumbled upon my channel, welcome. I do a lot of clothing hauls and unboxings. I love clothes, and hence the name of my channel. It's just all about clothes. Stick around for a while, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.